Okay, just went to the store, got the one I actually wanted. Here's the other keyboard. Okay, this is the Apex Pro. I guess the first version that came out, um, which is for some reason I think better quality than the first one than the second one that just came out. Um, so here we go. This stream. Oh wait, hold on. I should probably have my chat open too. Let me see this real fast. Go quick, go quick, go quick. Chat. Boom. Stream information. I should have probably changed that. Where's my keyboard? Give me a second, boys. Give me a second. A small second. SteelSeries Apex. Go TK. Unboxing. And test stream. Boom. Okay, that works. How do I change that? Done. Let's go. Okay, sorry. Okay, here we go. So here it is. Here's a box. Gotta open this. Gosh dang it, this is so. I hate when the sticker doesn't like come off like this. Where's my cuchillo? There it is. I got el cuchillo. I just had the wooden keyboard, and because apparently that's like the best one right now, but I actually didn't really like it a whole lot. I think the quality kind of sucks for it. It's kind of like the new Apex Pro. So I don't know. I returned that one already. Not a huge fan. I didn't buy this at sale or anything, so I mean that was kind of dumb by me because I know these things do go on sale, but yeah, this one's probably already returned, but it's okay. All right, boom, there it is. Comes in a plastic. Carrying port. I don't think this one is. Yeah. So you can't detach the cable on this one, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Here you go. You get the keyboard. Boom. And then you get the wrist rest, which I actually think I'd like the wrist rest. I tried it every time at Best Buy, and I actually really liked it. So, that's the only shitty part, is that it is not a detachable cable, which sucks, but what can you do? I guess if you don't really change out your keyboard that much, it doesn't really matter, but I do wish it was detachable. Okay, there you go. Is this not metal either? Bro, are you kidding me? No, I think it is. There it is. The OmniPoint switches feel so smooth. Yeah. Even though these keycaps are like ABS instead of PBT, I actually think I like the PBT ones better than the ABS ones. Which is weird, but you know, whatever. Plug this thing in. Oh, I hate these connectors. These cables are trash. I swear, if I knew how to make a keyboard, I could make the best goddamn keyboard the world has ever seen. Connect this thing. Boom. That's some nice RGB right there. I like that. God, I really don't like the cable. This cable is trash. But that looks so clean. Obviously my webcam kind of sucks. You can't really see that, but Look at that. The OLED screen. The wrist rest. I don't even know if I'll use this. Yeah, no, this feels so much better. Boom. I like that. Put on some monkey type. Let's see. Let me add a source. I'll do window capture. Boom. Let's see, let's make this thing a little smaller. Let's put this here and do this, transform. Stretch the screen, there we go. I don't know if I like the wrist rest actually. Oh my god, I'm trash. Jesus. Okay. That's not good at all. I think you just hop in game actually. Was this just another waste of money? I think probably. Gosh, bro, what am I doing? Wasting all my hard-earned cash. Like 200 hours of work here, and I just wasted it. Let's see. Let me add a